Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the Microsoft 10 Windows Defender or Windows Security that is not working. So without further ado, let's get started, and we will be using these two commands that you can see here later on. So please make sure that you finish watching this video. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings option, and we can do that by making a right click here, and then let's go to settings. And this time we will go to the apps section that you will see in the left pane. So in here you will see the installed apps option that is in the very first option that you will see. So this says uninstall and manage apps on your PC, so please click on that, and the moment you do that, you will see all the list of the applications that are installed in your device. So here we need to look for Windows Security, so let's just go to the W section, Windows Security, and I don't have that option. So if you have that option, please just be guided with the process that I'm going to show you. So I will make this Windows App Runtime main as the example on how you will do it in the Windows Security option. Okay, so just follow the process that I will show you. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to this three dot icon to look for more options, and we will click on the advanced options here. So once you're in this window, all you need to do, remember for the Windows Security, I already just said that I will just make this Windows App Runtime main as the example on how you will do it. Okay, so let's go back. So for the background app permissions, please make sure that the let this app run in background option, just click on never. And for the battery use, you can check battery usage, and for the reset, you can try first doing the repair. If this app isn't working right, then you can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So if there's still problem after doing the repair, you can proceed with the reset. If this app still isn't working, then reset it. The app's data will not be deleted, and after doing that, making a quick restart to the device will be very helpful. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to open the Windows Security, and we can do that by making a click here in this arrow icon here, and you will see this shield icon, so please click on that. Okay, so let's wait for the Windows Security window just like this to come up, and you will see here the green check marks. If you see the green check marks, that means that you have already protected your device, or there's no action needed for the device to be done. Okay, so just make sure that you see the green check marks, and this indicates no action needed. And the moment you do that, or the moment that you see that, then you're good to go. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to run the command that I have shown you, this one. So this is for Windows 10 that are build 20175 or later. So this is the command for the Windows 10, and for the Windows 11 you can also use this command. Okay, so how are we going to use these commands here? All we need to do is just type in the Windows search tab PowerShell, and you will see Windows PowerShell, and please click on Run as Administrator. And then the user account control window will be coming up on your screen, so just please click on yes, and you will see here the Windows PowerShell window. So all we need to do is just to paste here the commands that we have. So I am using Windows 11, so I will be copying Windows 11 command, and I will be pasting it here, and then once pasted, please click on enter. And the deployment operation progress is now, the deployment operation is now in progress, and I have here the Reset-AppxPackage. Okay, so the moment you do that, it will now make a reset with your device. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.